Today we have the resource monitor, task number 6 in Windows Fundamentals 2. We're continuing with tools that are available through the system configuration panel. Let's go to system configuration panel again. Config tools, a resource monitor, resmon. What is resource monitor? Resmon for short, or for resmon for the executable name. Per Microsoft, resource monitor displays per process and aggregate CPU, memory, disk, and network usage, in addition to provide details about which processes are using individual files handle. Are using individual file handles. Are using individual file handles and modules. Advanced filtering allows users to isolate the data related to one or more processes, either applications or services. Start, stop, pause, and resume services. Let's start this. Let's launch it because it started. Let's launch it. Let's launch Resource Monitor and see the interface. Start, stop, pause, and resume services, and close unresponsive applications from the user interface. It also includes a process analysis feature that can help identify deadlock processes and file locking conflicts so that the user can attempt to resolve the conflict instead of closing an application and potentially losing data. As some of the other tools mentioned in this room, this utility is geared primarily to advanced users who need to perform advanced troubleshooting on the computer system. If you don't want to do the advanced troubleshooting, you can go to Ctrl-Shift-Escape, and we have the Task Manager. In the Overview tab, Resmon has 4 sections: Resource Monitor, CPU, disk, network, and memory. And we see in the screenshot from TryHackMe the same things. The same 4 sections have corresponding tabs across the top. See below. So the same sections: CPU, memory, disk, and network. Note that each tab has additional information for each. An image is shown below for each tab. Yes, we saw that. Each tab from the overview has additional tabs. We can see this for CPU, memory, disk, and network. And we see this here also for CPU, memory, disk, and network. Although not captured in any of the images above, Resource Monitor has a panel at the far right, which is this one. The pane shows a graphical view in real time for each section. Yes, we can see this. We can see also if we change the headers, you can see that also the pane is changed in real time, where you can see again in real time graphical view of the applications or processes. Note, the information displayed in Resource Monitor will be different for you compared to the images above. Answer the questions below. What is the command to open Resource Monitor? The answer is the name of the executable file, not the full path. resmon.exe. Amazing.